This guide will walk you through installing the BuddyPress plugin in WordPress. First of all, you need to be in the dashboard. In the dashboard, you see a menu on the left side of the window. Navigate to the Plugins section by clicking on Plugins. In the Plugins section, click on the button with the text Add New Plugin. This will redirect to the page where you can install a new WordPress plugin. Now you are on the page where you can install new plugins. Look for the search bar in the upper right part of the window. Enter BuddyPress in the search text box. After the page reload, you should see the BuddyPress plugin with the option to install that plugin. Initiate the installation process by clicking on Install Now. When the installation of BuddyPress is finished, the button changes and the text shows Now Activate. Activate BuddyPress by clicking on Activate. After activating the plugin, you will get a message with the latest changes of BuddyPress. Close the message by clicking on the small X next to the message. Congratulations! You installed and activated the WordPress plugin BuddyPress.